Good afternoon, Western Slope. Today is the first official day of summer, and it's a crazy start to summer. I don't know if any of you knew that, but already we have severe thunderstorm advisories. Now that's already expired for our region over here on the Western Slope, but we do have a flood watch still underway for this evening going into tomorrow. And of course, so much hail that just came through. I mean, it's just completely unexpected, I think, for everybody, including myself especially. Now, this storm potential is not storm potential anymore. It's already happened, all this storm, and it's all because of this upper level system that's pushing through the central United States, dragging moisture from the south, bringing in all these storms. I mean, even Nebraska and South Dakota have been seeing those storms, but we're seeing that all this afternoon and going into tomorrow as well. Now for today, we had some warmer air being brought in by the south, but that moisture is already being brought in. So we're gonna see it more tomorrow as well. You see a little bit more green right here in this area than we saw earlier today. But around Saturday, it should start to clear up. We'll have some residual moisture in the area, but it shouldn't be nearly what it was today. I mean, look at our futurecast right here. The whole screen is just full of colors. We should still be seeing some moisture and potentially some rainfall for this evening going into tomorrow, but in the later hours of this evening, it should start to clear up until tomorrow when it comes right back in all across Grand Junction. Montrose is gonna see a lot of this as well. But another thing that I want everybody to note is that today we didn't have any hail warnings, but tomorrow we already have some purple showing up, which means hail. So we can expect to see some more hail tomorrow. That's not for sure, of course, because the weather is always changing, but do be aware that we have all of this red zone right here, including purple, so don't be surprised if you see heavy rain and heavy hail as well. Definitely, we're still gonna be in a flash flood area as well. But over here, over an inch of hail, and that is 12% of our annual precipitation. So that's just crazy in itself, that in one day, in about 20 minutes span, we already have 12% of our annual precipitation. Now, this hail came as a surprise for everybody because even on our large hail outlook, this is only 5%. We only had 5% expected hail today, so nothing of this was foreseen at all. But we did have quarter-size hail around 1 inch and even slightly over an inch with ping-pong-sized hail. I know where I live, I had quarter-size hail happening. And in other areas, that larger hail was taking place. But this is all because of this supercell that we have, this super strong thunderstorm. Now, that's a lot stronger than we expected, and it was only over Grand Junction. Very convenient, of course, and it drags in this moisture up to the top, and as it does that, it all compacts the ice and all the freezing levels of that atmosphere together, like how you would kind of compact a snowball, and when it gets heavy enough, it falls right back to the ground. Now, that's exactly what we saw. We had a lot of that going on, and again, like I said, we had a flood alert happening, and we're still going to be under flood watch for the next few hours. Now, in Grand Junction, temperatures are going to cool down tomorrow with an increased chance of those storms, and in Montrose, same thing, same storms happening, and slightly cooler temperatures.